Nearly every AI side hustle guru online is running one of just 5 playbooks. The product changes, the face changes, the script doesn't. Here are all 5, and the exact moment each one turns into a sell. No names, just the patterns. Let's go. First, the ground rules. This channel does honesty, not hype. We're naming patterns, not people. Plenty of decent teachers share a format with the worst offenders, so use the tests, not a blacklist. And full disclosure, we earn from affiliate links and sell a £17 starter kit ourselves. So judge us by the same tests you're about to learn. Playbook 1. The course funnel. It opens with genuinely useful free videos. That's the bait working as intended. Then comes the free webinar, the countdown timer, and a course that costs more than a holiday. The tell, the income proof usually comes from selling the course, not from doing the hustle it teaches. Playbook 2. The fake agency. I run a 7-figure AI agency, and I'll show you how. Look closer. No client work you can verify, no case studies, no company you can find. The agency is the backdrop. The mentorship is the product. Real agency owners have less time to film daily videos, not more. Playbook 3. The Discord pump. You join a free community and it feels alive. Wins posted daily, everyone earning. Then comes the paid inner circle. The tell. Check who posts those wins. It's nearly always the moderators and the affiliates, the people paid to keep the temperature up. Playbook 4. The done-for-you upsell. They'll build the whole business for you. An automated store, a faceless channel, a trading bot. Just buy it and collect the profits. Think it through once. If a £500 machine genuinely printed money, they'd keep it. The product isn't the business, you are. Playbook 5. The affiliate farm. A top 10 AI tools video where every single tool pays the presenter commission, ranked by payout, not quality. To be clear, affiliate links aren't the scam. We use them, disclosed, in every video. Hiding them is the scam. No disclosure means the review is an advert. So here's the spot the sell test. 3 questions for any guru. 1. Does their money come from doing the hustle or from selling it to you? 2. What happens if you don't buy today? Real scarcity or a timer that resets at midnight? 3. Can you verify even one result independently? If the answers are selling it, it resets, and no, you've found the sell. If you want the honest starting point, the free guide and the starter kit are linked in the description. No webinar, no countdown, and nobody promising you'll be rich by Friday. Comment below. Which of these 5 playbooks do you see the most? We read every one. Subscribe. And stay skeptical.